Good morning everyone. This will be extremely boring video. This is a GoPro 10 footage, 5K, 60 frames per second. I have like 75% of the battery. I lose 25% on the standby. That just, I don't know. That's what it is. Come on people, come on. It's pretty cold today. I just want to test the footage and sound quality. GoPro is mounted on the chest. I'm like 30 kilometers per hour now, maybe a bit less. Wait, I will probably put the speedometer on the video. Well, it depends if I can, because I didn't test it yet. Is it going to work in 5K? That's the question. Is the app let me do it in 5K? My English is still not that great, but you understand. And yeah, of course. Of course. She didn't even look my way. Didn't even look. And of course, yeah. Of course, this one up. That's not a parking spot in here. But doesn't matter, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Wow, it's incredibly cold today. Very cold. I think we need to go straight. No, it's already blinking. As you can see, weather not sunny at all, kind of dim. Okay, keep passing me. Okay. So what do you think? Let me know in the comment below. How's this all looking in 5K? Which road should I go? I think I should go. No. Let's go forward. Let's go forward. Because I'm riding to the test location. We will test the GoPro 9 with GoPro 10 with Osmo Action stability test. But this will be in a different video, of course. Now I'm not using any stability at all. It just mounted to my chest mount. I don't know why I'm shouting, but I don't know. Anyway, wow. Damn, it's so cold. I have a helmet. I have a bicycle helmet on me, normal one, and it's damn, it's cold. I have to ride to this location because it's a very nice location for the test. It has a lot of nice. I mean, it has a stone road, just like we just ride this for. Anyway, my English still. Wait, let me think. Let me just stop for a bit. Let me think which way we should go. I think we should go this way. Okay. It has a stone road which is very bumpy, and it will give us an amazing test. Oh jeez, so many cars. And she's turning. Siemaneczko.
Nagrywacza.
Właśnie nagrywam, tylko że na angielski. GoPro 10. And here we go. Okay, so okay, we have to wait. Kurde, korki. Nie ma jak przyjechać.
No, bo jeździ gościu na tych olszynkach kiedyś.
No.
Miał tak przerobione. Miał grany jeszcze jakiś ten, że do 30 mu rozładowuje.
Aha.
Do 50 ładuje.
O! Czekaj, bo skręcam. No. A to jest słabiutkie, pan. Okay. Some fans, you understand. And yeah, here we go. Come on. Okay, which way should we go? We should go this way. Faster and way less people. That's a great spot for parking, my friend. Amazing. Great one. Let's go. Just scratch myself. Is this still recording? There's no indication on the camera. I mean, on the top of the camera. So I really don't know. See? Okay, no problem at all. Okay, we are closer to my favorite spot, and we'll test the stabilization and everything. Watch out. Well, I should watch out. This is a sidewalk, so see, I'm like an invisible man. No one sees me. Look, no one. Oh, wow. Hit it. Yeah, let's go. Okay, we're nearly there. Well, maybe not. Well, just 100, like half a kilometer more, and we'll be going.